Hello, I am Chris Turner, and this is a freestyle rap about why if you are in the hospitality industry and your website is not generating bookings, you need to go to boostly.co.uk. Let's drop a beat. Let's tell you why. I make it up, no script being said. I'm saying gonna get more heads on beds. Yeah, turn up the gas, getting it cooking, because you're gonna turn the lookers into the bookings. You don't need Airbnb, they will go direct, because currently they just step away. They're not staying on your website, and so you don't get the top cash, but that's alright. You can go to boostly.co.uk, money back guarantee, and the clickers will stay, because they're the market leader in web design for the hospitality industry. My mind to yours, and let me say, I hope you're enthralled. I make it all up. Go and book a little call, and you'll be happy that you did. You'll be like, this is amazing. Thank you, Chris. Talking about myself in the third person there, yeah.